Hi everyone, my name is Ricky and today we're going to be putting together a PC. I've never actually put one together, so this is going to be a first time for me. This is what we're starting off with. This is an Intel i5 13600KF. So what I'll actually do is I'll put together the price of the items on the screen and then I'll give you an idea of how much it was at the end. But yeah, this is the Intel Core i5 13600KF. So let's open it up. Nice. Okay. Next is put this over here to the side, the motherboard that I got for it. So this is an MSI Pro Z90A Wi-Fi DDR4. So this actually was about $180, which is a little pricier than I was expecting, but it was okay, I guess. $180. This was $265. I actually found this on sale, so that's actually really cool. All right, so let's open it up. Okay, so it looks like I get a CD with it. That's cool. Some quick installation guides. Oh, cool. I actually need that. So let's go ahead and open this up. Really cool. So MSI Pro. Okay, there it is. Very cool. So let's start off with this part. Ooh, okay. So let's open this up. Take this. Yep. Make sure it's all good. Okay, there we go. So that's in. Oh, that was scary. Then, oh, hook it up. Okay, and so then we put this back. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay, so cool. That's part one. Second part is the DDR, the RAM. So what I ended up getting is a T-Force DDR4 gaming Vulcan. It's 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. So let's go ahead and get this in here. Okay. And so then I know you have to put it in these. This one and this one. And so I'm assuming you put it in like this. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, I see. I just put it in with a little bit of force, and then the second one right here. There we go. Now they're both in. All right, so 32 gigabytes of RAM there. i5 in. I'll put up the price for this up top. Cool. This is exciting. Okay, so that's there. This is good. Ooh, I probably should be touching all that. And so up next is the SSD. So I ended up going with a 1 terabyte Kingston SSD. Found on Amazon. I think it was. I'll put up the price up here. I was really going for the budget options, so nothing too crazy. Yeah, this is the SSD slot. So the good thing is I have a screwdriver right here. So there's one screw. And here's the second screw. Take that off. So then go here. As we're putting that in, I need to take off this. But I want to know what these screws, do I have to take those off? not sure. Let's take a brief pause for now. Put this back here. Put it on. Go ahead and screw that part in. Nice. Take this, and screw this in. Oh. Okay, so that's in, and that's in. Nice and tight. Boom, in. Okay, awesome. So I guess I can take that off. I don't know what this is. Oh, cool. Okay, got it. Got it. These coming off. What I didn't realize is that these things, they come with an extra like set of the these screws for the other ones. Boom, boom. And then there's 2 more under there. Very cool. So I can expand that later when I have more memory, or when I have the need for more memory. Yeah, because what I want to do is I'm gonna put it in the cooler, and then I'm gonna take this and then put that inside the case, and then from there I'll put in the GPU and then the other parts, and then I'll start connecting everything, which should be fun. I need to know what these are for though, because I don't know. I'll have to look these up. This stuff I know. This stuff I know is for the things in the back. That's cool. I like that. So part of the reason why I wanted this motherboard was because they had really good options inside. So it's an HDMI, display, USB, SSD, flash BIOS button. So hopefully, maybe it's overkill, but it's alright. So be it. I end up getting a DeepCool AG 400BK, 120 centimeters. That's the size. So let's go ahead and get this installed. I think that's everything for now. So, hold on. So I'll move this over here, and then let's open it up. So, came with this stuff, which I guess is the thing to hold it. So, oh, okay. So what is this? Oh, this is to hold it on top, right? And then this is to actually lock it in. Got it. Okay, this is the thermal paste. Very cool. Oh, an installation guide. I'm actually going to need that. There. And here is the actual cooler. I actually got the RGB version because the case that I got also has RGB, so I think it'd be really cool to get both, just to have that be part of it. Take this, put this in. Boom. Very cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put this over to the side, actually, so you guys can see it right there. Bring this back over, and put it right there. And we're going to read the installation guide because I don't know what I'm doing. All right. Mine is LG 1700, I think it was. So LG 1700. Okay, so first I need to, okay. LG, that is this piece right here. So it says, oh, okay, so I gotta put it on underneath. Got it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put this underneath so these poke through these holes right here. Cool. There, this one. So let's go ahead and just lift this up. Oops. Fit those. Fit these in here. Oh, okay, so I see. You gotta, oh, interesting. Okay, so they're not all, wait, so how do you, so it says here, you push it. Oh, you push them out all to the ends. Okay, I see. So you gotta, oh, see? So these things, you have to push them out 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way to the end. Got it. Okay, so that's why it wasn't fitting. I was wondering why that was. Okay, so then it says Intel, so I assume we put it like that, I guess. So let me find the little... There we go. Okay, great. So those are in now. Perfect. Okay. Let's take it. Let's move it back over. See? Oh, okay. Wow. Oh, yes. Awesome. Okay, so that fit. Perfect. Okay, so next part is take F. So F parts. So these. Is it these? Oh wait, am I looking at the wrong ones? No, these are right. Oh wait, maybe they're not. That's these ones. Wow, I'm putting on the wrong ones. That's why they won't fit. Oh gosh. So it's these ones. These ones. So, step one, you put in the wrong ones. You have to look at the instructions like a fool. So it's these black ones. Let me just take them all out. 2, 3, and 4. Now we put this thing on top. Okay. Oh, look at that. It sits much closer. And then we put these. Oh yeah, it caught immediately. Wow, I'm a silly goose. 3. And then the last one, 4. Perfect. Always like, I don't know why, but I like to put them in with my hands first and then go. Okay, sweet. So then let's tighten these up. 2. Oh. 3. Then 4. And then we'll go around a second time and just make sure they're all really tightened. Okay, sweet. So then let's get back to this one. It looks like, okay, so that's what I was wondering. The fan does have to go towards this. I guess it makes sense, right? Pulls in air, pushes it out that way. Awesome. So that goes where? 4-pin CPU fan. 4-pin CPU fan? Oh, that's this one. Okay, cool. Got it. And that's what cable? That cable, I guess. Where does the RGB one go? That's what I wonder. Is there cool. Okay, so, all right, let's get into it. So first let's take this off. Let's take this off. Take these two off, put them away. And then now we have the fan here. So this is one cable. This is, which one's this one? 4-pin. Oh, this is the 4. Oh wait, what? How does this go then? Oh, this goes around like that. And like that. Boop. Oh, I see. Or I guess around like that probably is the correct answer. Oh, and then this bottom one. What's this bottom one? All right, cool. Let's get into it. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. So this is thermal paste. So I've seen tactics about doing this, and it's just a dot, right? That's like the idea. So putting it together, dot it is. I saw people experimenting on YouTube with other things. I couldn't be me. Okay, cool. Oh, there we go. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. And then peel that off and then put it on. Okay. Okay. Sweet. We actually put on a good amount. So just make sure there's nothing left in here, just to be sure. I think there is, but just making sure. Okay, cool. All right, so thermal paste is in. Then what? Peel that off, slap it on. Okie dokies. So, get in there. There. Let's take it off. Oh, okay. Oh man, this needs a bit of force. Oh, okay, there we go. That's off. Okay, so now we put it on and we hope for the best, I guess. Is it going in? Oh yes, okay, it is going in. Excuse me. How much pressure to put it under? That's my whole thing. I don't know how. Oh, I guess. Oh, there we go, there we go. Okay, there we go. Sweet. Now it's on. So there we go. Okay, so what I realized as I was doing this is, so there's two pins on each side, right? There's 2 pins on each side, and you have to screw them all the way in. But be careful, do it at the same time, or else this one will go in, and then this one won't catch. So just kind of even it out, and then tighten them all the way in. Cool. Very cool. Well, let's give it one more little. Okay, and then. Boom. Alright, cool. So that part's done. This is the case that I got. It's a DeepCool CH560. I'll put the name and the link down below for all of these actually. I'll put the names down. And yeah, so it looks like, I like the design of it. I like the glass here and then this kind of mesh type situation with the front. And then it also comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 fans. Okay, so that's there. And then we're going to take this motherboard. Motherboard and put it inside. Okay, so that's. Oh, okay, I see. Yep, that's in. Okay. Whew. All right, sweet. So. Well, this doesn't make any sense. Oh, I can lift it. Got it. Perfect. Understood. All right, so move this up here a little bit so you guys can see what it looks like. I had to align these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. I had to pull this cable out in front because it wasn't letting it go through towards the end over here. It was like poking it through the back, which I guess this is now flush, so that makes sense. The thing is, this one's magnetic, so it kind of like fits. It's like off by like a millimeter. There we go, got it. Got it. Okay, cool. I guess we can lift this back up, right? Should we lift it back up? I guess so. Whoa. All right, so GPU time. GPU, I ended up going with an Radeon RX 6750. So that's pretty cool. Pretty excited about it. Let's open it up. Pretty exciting. How much this was. It actually wasn't that bad. I got this on sale for $309, which I'm actually pretty excited about. So this is there. This is here, and there it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. Whoa. There it is. How awesome is that? This is so cool. Imagine. Ooh. Oh. There we go. Look at that. Imagine I didn't have to take this off. And I just did it because I'm a crazy lunatic. So now I have to take out this top one, right? So how do I, again, this is a XFX Speedster Quick Radeon RX 6750. I found it for a really good deal, so that's why I went with it. I know there's better graphics cards, obviously, but they're really expensive, and you know, as much as I wish I could, I can't. There. Ooh, what's in the way? What's in the way? There we go. It's in. Sweet. There it is. It's in. Awesome. Yeah, heck yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, screw that in. Nice and tight. This one, same thing. The cool thing about this that I actually appreciate a lot is that this thing, this case has this sort of like hand thing down here that lets you put it down, and you can use it to hold it up. So that's pretty cool. Okay, sweet. So now let's flip it back over. Now we're going to the power supply unit. So I decided to get the Cool Master, 850 watt, fully modular gold power supply unit. I actually found this on sale. This is usually what? Actually, I'll have to check what the actual typical price is, but I actually got this on sale for about $80. I'll put the price on screen. And so let's go ahead and open this up. Everything's looking good. I'm actually really happy with how it's turning out. Okay, that's different. Casing, power supply unit output cable, installation guide. Okay. I don't know what any of these do. All right, here we go. Let's get into it. Let's get into this power installation guide. I don't understand how to do this, but sure. Okay, so this one clearly goes in here. How do I... COM? What does that mean? No, you gotta be careful. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, so that clicked. That clicked. Now the second one. Oop, whoa, careful. So let's turn it over. And then this one, let's go. Oh, I probably should have posted it on the other side, huh? Oh well, it's okay. Okay, sweet. And so now we slide the power unit in. Okay, sweet. So that's that. I mean, I guess that's everything. That's all of it. It's all connected. It's all in. Thanks everyone for watching. This is the final build. It cost about $1,050. I'm really happy about it came out, and I'm super excited to play some games and just edit more videos and just create content. Speaking of which, I just started a Twitch channel called RickyxStudios. I'm going to be playing games for the first time and showing you behind the scenes videos. So like, comment, subscribe for more content. Thanks, and see you in the next one.